This and that toys.
Wait, that was literally so funny. I froze. My dog just went. As I froze.
Staring at you?
No, he literally he froze when I froze without even knowing I froze.
Oh, okay. I thought he was looking at you.
No. Okay, hey guys, we're checking out another slime today. Ooh, that was satisfying. I just pulled some dried slime off my skin. Satisfying. If you've seen my last two videos, you know I've done two other Elmer slime kits. And today, I'm doing Fluffy. This one's cool because it has like this fluffy slime activator instead of normal activator. To make the slime fluffy, I guess. Scissors, parent supervision. Said that in my last two if you watch them, so make sure you know. Ooh, this one's packaged differently a little. Cause there's this. Ooh. Sorry, I just had to do that. Look at, I got clear, and blue glitter glue. These are literally gonna turn such a cool color. Okay, I gotta add them. I have to. So we got the pink clear glue. I'm excited to mix these, see what color they turn. Clear glue, I feel like clear glue comes out. Yeah, clear glue comes out much easier than normal glue. Because it's more like runny. Look, it's already literally out. Because it's runny. Done. I love clear glue. It's so pretty. I love clear slime. Wait, and the good thing about clear glue is you can like tip it. Like if there's like some right there, you tip it and then you tip it down. Tip it. Okay, I'm done now. Now for this one. The blue glitter glue. This one's really pretty too. Ooh, these ones are always really hard to get out of the bottle though. Oh, well, this is why I hate these ones. Trying to make slime. Gotta get that out. Ooh, that one made a bubble. Sorry if I'm being gross and you don't like me anymore. You can just leave. Actually, no, please don't leave. So hit that subscribe button and stay here forever. I mean, not forever. Stay here. See this beautiful slime I make. Okay, now we gotta add, I guess, this fluffy slime activator. By the way, this is what it looks like. Ooh, it's dripping. It's very pretty. Looks like an egg. Okay. I'm scared. How much do I need? I don't know. What if I overactivate it? I've never used this right before. How much do they use? Oh, ooh, I don't know. I'm scared. This one I probably should have used directions, but I didn't. So who cares? All right. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm definitely gonna need more. These bottles like this are always really hard to get out. It's turning pretty. It looks really cool right now. Stuff is so weird. Woo, woo, mix, 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 mix. Let's do this. Ow, on my arm. I'm gonna try mixing with this arm. It reminds me of Elsa. This looks like Elsa slime. I don't know why. Ready? I'm going in. I'm gonna touch it because it needs squishing with hands. This is literally Elsa slime. It's icicles. It's Elsa. I'm gonna mix this little piece. Beautiful slime. Ready? like, it's pretty, right? Ooh. It's super sticky. I need more fluffy stuff. I think this might just be shaving cream in a bottle. Actually, no. I think it's shaving cream mixed with lotion in a bottle. Or mixed with activator in a bottle. I don't get how this is making it fluffier. It doesn't feel fluffier. This isn't going how I planned. Can I just use like some normal activator? And I'm making so good slime. I would not recommend so far. But it might turn out good in the end. It's working, kind of. It's still really sticky, though. I don't like it. I don't like it. Fluffy, no. Fluffy, no. Fluffy, no. It's sticky, wicky, icky. Even I can take it out of the bowl. I'm going to try and take it out of the bowl, maybe. Ooh. Do I still have, like... I have some fluffy stuff left. There. A dab of fluffy stuff. And some slime. Still some fluffy stuff, though. Doggy, stop it. My doggies are being annoying in the background. It's not funny. I'm trying to make a video. Yeah. Talking in a weird accent and weird, like, things, and I'm just being extremely weird. Woo. Get this slime time out! Oh! Ah! Oof. There's annoying dogs under me right now, so, yeah, so don't be alarmed if I just go flying randomly. So, it's probably my dogs, or it's something else, so if it's something else, you're allowed to be alarmed, but if it's my dog, then don't be alarmed. It's working! It's getting less sticky. My hands are still super sticky. Sticky, icky. From earlier when I tried to play with it. When I tried to squish it when it wasn't ready. There's glitter on my hands. I'm a glitter monster. It's gotten better. It's fluffy, kind of. It's pretty fluffy. Fluffy stuff. I don't like the fluffy stuff anymore, though. Fluffy stuff ruined my life. I'm basically done with the slime. So, would probably not recommend. If you're, like, new to slime and stuff, probably not. And, like, if you want to make slime, it's not really that good, slime. So maybe, like, try one of the other ones. Like, in my other videos, I did Jungle Jam and a fairy dust. This one, it turned out pretty good. But the making of it, I ran out of fluffy stuff. No more fluffy stuff. I had to use other activator from other slimes. Does this one have any fluffy stuff left? No fluffy stuff in this one. This one had a little bit. Would probably not recommend. If you want to try it, you think you can do better than me. If you think I did something wrong, make sure to leave a like. If I didn't do something wrong, still leave a like. And subscribe. So, that's the end of today's video, guys. So, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you always get notified when I post a new video. And peace out.
Don't forget to subscribe for more fun videos.